What's up, guys? I know it's my day off, but I gotta run to work and bring some documents and scan them and email them for a closing, which is such a pain. My computer sucks right now for some reason. I freaking need gas. I'll give you a little quick walk around of it. I did a video last night on it, but anyways, there it is. Hopefully my camera's on. Yep. Obviously my next mods are my exhaust, but I have got to get a new helmet. This speed and strength helmet blows balls. I hated it with my other bike because the visor would never close right, or always stay up. Never stay up.
Dude, that bike's looking sick.
Thanks, man.
I've been looking at it on Instagram.
Have you?
I love all the little white on it.
I'm trying. I gotta get exhaust next, so we'll see. Your truck looks sick, man.
Thank you.
It looks good.
I think it's gnarly.
Thanks. This is my favorite bike, man. I mean, KTM's awesome, don't get me wrong, but this one's pretty fast.
Yeah, dude, it looks sick.
See ya. See ya, man. I have got 398 miles on this bike so far. Doing my best to even order the exhaust, wait to order the exhaust till I have 400 miles on it, or 600 miles on it. But I don't know, I may be ordering it sooner. I don't know. I'm pretty sure, I think I'm going back to the Aero. I love the way it looks. I mean, I just feel like there's not a better looking exhaust for this bike. I've been trying to look and see if I could find something that looks better. Because they all, for the most part, sound the same. I mean, really. The tones are a little bit different, but for the most part, they all sound the same. So to me, it really comes down to the look. And the Aero's headers just hug this bike and looks awesome. It just follows the lines really nicely. I can't find anything else that's hugging the lines of the bike as nice and as tight to the bottom of the motor as the Aero's headers are. So I don't know. I think it's the exhaust for me for this bike. All right, I'm out of here. What a pain in my ass that was. Well, that was not fun. About 60 documents I needed to scan and email. Oh, you're fucking kidding me? Stuck behind a garbage man? That sucks. I've never been stuck behind a fucking garbage truck on a motorcycle, but even as fucking 200 yards away, it smells like shit still. Ugh. Everybody know what a diaper genie is? You got kids, or you got younger brothers, sisters, or you just know somebody that's got a baby. There's something called a diaper genie, and you put all the dirty diapers, piss and shit diapers in this thing, and it makes a fucking diaper sausage when it's filled up. Throw it in trash. So anyways, following this garbage truck, even this far away, smells like a fucking diaper genie. It's been sitting in the sun for fucking 2 weeks. Oh, it's so ripe. Really? I gotta get gas? You're going there too? Frickin' A, man. Dang it, man. Sure, I'll take a receipt. Print that sucker, man. Oh, you dirty bastard. What? That's no freaking receipt. Dicks. Fill the fucker up, would you? It's just paper. Just fill it up with paper.